Hello friends, this is Sanvi. She's 12 years old. She's worried with the typical problems of a teenager today.
कितने सारे चैप्टर्स हैं। इंग्लिश में भी एक चैप्टर बचा है, मैथ्स में भी एक चैप्टर बचा है, हिंदी में भी एक चैप्टर बचा है। एग्जाम भी एक वीक में आने वाली है। मैंने कोई भी चैप्टर अच्छे से नहीं किया है, पर से ही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। मम्मी पापा को कैसे बताओ कि मेरा एक भी सब्जेक्ट में एक भी चैप्टर अच्छे से नहीं हुआ है।
Hello friends, I am Dr. Amok Shahane. I am practicing as a pediatrician at Sanvi Children's Hospital, Kharghar since more than a decade now. Adolescence, the word itself brings a smile to my face. It brings back fond memories of my childhood and my adolescent period, where as a gawky teenager, I had difficulties in making numerous decisions in my life, right from choosing good friends to taking career choices as to what I wanted to do in my life. But having said this, I would like to say that it is one of the most beautiful periods of one's life, where there is a beautiful transition from childhood to adulthood, like how a caterpillar who is initially shy and dependent turns into a beautiful and a confident butterfly. Adolescents comprise 16% of the world's population and 21% of the Indian population comprise adolescents. It is the age group between 10 to 19 years of life. In this period, an adolescent has an increasing urge for more independence, exploration phase, experimentation, as well as attention seeking, which makes them more vulnerable for high-risk behaviors, especially sexual behaviors, unhealthy lifestyle, and there's also a high risk for substance abuse. Now let's talk about COVID-19 and teens. Just like all of us, teens are not immune to the stress related to COVID-19. Some of the stresses which are seen in teens are, first and foremost, there is anxiety associated, especially since they are not able to go out and mingle with their friends. They spend hours on online classes, which makes it very tedious for them. Third, they have psychosomatic complaints like vague aches and pains and often come up with headaches. And sometimes they have severe forms of stress in the form of depression, either related to death in the family or near ones, sometimes a feeling of doom, and they can also show suicidal behavior or tendencies. Today we will be focusing more on coping mechanisms for teens, that is how to build resilience in them, especially during these COVID times, and how to develop life skills in them so that they can face any adversities in life. Resilience. So what is resilience? Resilience is the process of developing successful adaptation to threatening and challenging circumstances. The American Psychological Association uses a broader definition: the process of adapting well in the face of adversity, trauma, tragedy, threats, or even significant sources of stress like family or relationship problems, serious health problems, or financial stressors. In layman terms, it is bouncing back from difficult situations. It is a positive youth development which has to be imbibed and inculcated by parents as well as the teachers of teenagers. So how do teens develop resilience during the COVID times? First and foremost, recognize that your anxiety is completely normal and discuss your fears with parents or with your near ones. Create distractions for yourself, that is, develop hobbies and other methods like reading. Find new ways to connect with your friends, that is, more social networking but under limitations. Be kind to yourself and others and stay calm and strengthen bonding with family members. There is an adolescent wellness toolbox which is a guideline for parents. In this, we need to check for the following points. First and foremost, understand what is normative development for an adolescent. Respect their autonomy. Educate and listen actively to them. Allow to self-formulate routines, ensuring healthy eating, adequate exercise, online education, sleep, household responsibilities, and healthy media usage. Involve teens in setting up online family or peer meetings. Brainstorm corona combating ideas, that is both online as well as offline social activism. Do enjoyable fun filled activities together and keep the connect and watch out for the following warning signs. The flag signs which are very important for parents to look out for are: is your teen using drugs? Is there any incidence of violence or suicidal behavior? Change in behavior or interest for more than 2 weeks, and change in family relations for more than 2 weeks. Now let's talk about life skills. What are life skills? Life skills are skills, strengths and capabilities that help one deal with problems of everyday life with confidence and a positive attitude. Life skills help adolescents make informed decisions, communicate effectively, develop coping and management skills to lead a healthy and a productive life. What is the importance of life skills in a teenager's life? Adolescents go through various changes in their life, right from emotional changes, physical changes, as well as mental changes and hormonal changes. These changes make them confused. They have problems with their body image. They are more focused on how do they look than what they want to accomplish in their lives. The life skills help them to deal with these uncertainties better. So what are the core life skills? These skills are mainly for self-understanding and self-management. They consist mainly of self-esteem, self-awareness, assertiveness, coping with stress, and coping with emotions. These life skills provide you with understanding yourself, your abilities, your limitations, and how you can overcome them. They help you give more focus on your studies and come out with glory. We also have life skills for knowing and living with others in harmony. These are mainly effective communication, interpersonal relationships, empathy, negotiation, and conflict resolution. Mastering these skills is important as they will help you in a big way in managing peer relationships. They will also help you as an adult to get along with others amicably and live a life of collaboration and synergy. There are life skills for dealing with issues and problems, which are mainly critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, and problem solving. These life skills mainly deal with looking analytically at events and people and to get to the depth of how and why before you decide about your career course. Creative thinking refers to the ability to produce something novel, useful, and unique. Fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration are the main characteristics of creativity. So friends, I would like to conclude that adolescent period is a wonderful period in one's life where there is the innocence of childhood as well as the urge to conquer dreams envisioned by teenagers. It is our duty as parents and teachers to give these fledglings of ours strong and powerful wings so they can conquer the beautiful skies with confidence and glory. Thank you.